Hey girls and guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz if you don't know already. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and removing my closet door and putting up a mirrored closet door, a bifold mirrored closet door. I will have all the specs and links down below for this particular door I'm using. But firstly I'm just going ahead and cleaning out all of my junk out of the closet and getting it out of the way. And don't forget about my $100 Cash App giveaway. If you're not subscribed, I'm going to be doing a $100 Cash App giveaway. So all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and leave your Cash App name down below just to be entered into this giveaway. This giveaway will be ending on July 17th, so hurry up and enter and make sure you watch every video I post. I found my old bucket of shoes in here. I forgot it was there. And as you can see, the closet, I can walk in here, you know. It has this like rack part I'm thinking about removing, but I'm not sure yet. I think so. Because first of all, I don't like the way the rods are going from this way. I would rather they go from this way, front to the back. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to see. I'm just gonna have to see. Just gonna go ahead and vacuum up any dust or anything that was dirt that was left behind, just so I can have a clean canvas. So this is the rug I got from Target, and it should be perfectly fitted because the measurements of it is, where's the measurement? I saw the measurements of it, 24 by 36, right? And so my closet is 24 by 30 or something like that. So I remember I measured my closet up and down. So yeah, reversible as well, so I could, if I didn't want to do this pattern, I could do this pattern. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this door down. So all I did was at first I tried to go in with my hand screwdriver, but that did not work because I had to scrape a lot of excess paint off. And once I got through that thick layer of paint, it was easy to remove the screws. Yeah, after scraping a good amount of paint off, we got it, y'all. As you can see, I had to scrape the paint out of the flatheads. I had to do the same thing over there with my bathroom door, but this one a little worse. I ain't gonna lie. Lordy, let's take it out with your finger. Now let me tell y'all something. This shit right here come from me scraping it with a knife and digging out those flathead screws from underneath of paint. And this one at the bottom, you always want to go ahead and measure your closet door, whatever door you're going to be using previously before buying online or anything like that, even in store. I actually bought this one online and then I picked it up in store. I sent a friend with the truck to pick it up and bring it to me, and it was simple as that. And I'm telling you guys, really affordable. It was like a little over $100, and it's just the best thing I ever did because it saves me a lot of space, a whole lot of space, which is like the point of it, and it's stylish. But yeah guys, so basically all I did was take it out of its packaging and everything. You'll see that now, and then I will go ahead and read the instructions fully. But I just wanted to come in and pop in and let you girls and guys know, make sure you do measure your closets first before buying the door, so you can assure that it will fit 100% correctly. And I got the perfect measurements. This how it would open, like this or something. It would be like this or something, you know. This is it closes. I gotta figure it out. I never had one of these, and it fit perfect. I mean, I measured this thing perfect. Ain't nobody telling me nothing, bro. I measured this perfect. Look at that. So I got the hardware up there, guys. As y'all can see, I got it on the top and on the bottom. It was pretty easy to install once I could understand the instructions. I swear, if you haven't done this before, you wouldn't understand the instructions. Or you never had a pivot door, you wouldn't understand it. Because it was just so confusing for me. I don't know. But I got the hardware up there. It fits perfect. Perfect. Thanks. Let's get it popping next part. Now I'm just taking the pivot door and installing it onto the track. I'm looking at it and wishing I would have got a closer view so you girls and guys can see where I put the pegs at. That you put inside the holes on the bottom and the top, and then you add it to this one side to the sliding track and one side to the fixed end, which will stay in place. I had to do some finessing, but in the end it did work out. But it was, oh my goodness, it was frustrating me at one point, y'all. I put the door up and down. I took it off, put it back on, took it off, put it back on, took it off, put it back on. Probably felt like 100 times, but in the end it worked out perfectly because I wanted to make sure it was on correctly because I'm going to be using it, so I need to make sure it's done the right way. Did it, y'all. I did it, y'all. It took me a minute. I had to finesse some stuff, but I did it. I'm gonna explain to y'all how I finessed it, but let me show y'all that it's functional. OMG, I can't even believe I did it at this point because it was a mess. Like fully functional, bitch. And took the bottom track off, put it back on, put it top and bottom tracks. I moved up just a little bit more. As you can see where the old holes were, I moved it up slightly more, closer to the edge. I did not have to remove these parts that I thought I was gonna have to remove. They weren't an issue, but I did end up taking off the adjustment, the pieces that came with it, moving those, and just I added this one into the rubber at the end, and it won't move past that screw, thankfully. And then I added the one at the bottom with the adjustment hook, the wrench that came with it had this adjustment hook. You probably can't see the adjustment wrench right here, that screw, and then the little plastic stud piece. So I just let it go into the hole where that part went, and boom, it really sturdy, and it just went. The whole time I could have added the piece right here, guys, but I'm just like, fuck that at this point. It's actually in there, but I took it out because I was getting frustrated. But I could actually have it in here, but it would just slide the same way it's sliding now. Like it just wouldn't swing like that, you know. But who cares? Like, I do. I gotta fix that. I will. God damn it. But yeah, that's what I did, y'all. I'm gonna fix that. That's what I did, y'all. So I am gonna go ahead and fix that so that piece goes in properly. Annoying. So I'm gonna have to take all this back down and do it again. I could either just leave it like this and just live with it like this and be happy with that because it closes fully, or I could just add that adjustment piece. It ain't nothing to do. Let's see. Yeah, because I don't like how it swings like that. Let's see. Yeah, that's, I mean, just be careful with it. It ain't gonna. All right, I'm gonna add it. All right. That's what it's all about. Trial and error. It's trial and error, you know? Boom. At the end of the day, it worked. So now I'm just gonna spray it down with some Windex, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it really, really good so it's streak free, and it looks really good because it's mirrored. And after that, I'll be all finished. And I did go ahead and add the handle in the middle off camera. It had a self-adhesive on it, and it was really easy to just add it to the middle. Sorry I didn't get that on camera, but yes, this is the finished look. I love it for my whole, it just changed the whole look of my room. It opened this space up because it is a mirror. It made my room look bigger. It just looks more modern. I love it. And it also is a space saver. So this is like, just is everything for me, you guys. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I am not a professional, I'm not perfect, but it's all about just learning from your mistakes and just keep going at what you do and trying to achieve the look that you want, trying to achieve your goal. And I'm happy with how my closet came out. I hope you girls and guys like this video. Don't forget about the Cash App giveaway I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be ending on July 17th. So make sure you girls and guys are subscribed. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave your Cash App in the comment section below. Also, tell me how you like this video as well, and I will be catching up with you guys in the next one. XOXO, deuces.